Big news coming in from Maharashtra. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has announced compulsory closure of all offices and shops in Mumbai, Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad. He says that people aren't yet staying at home. This is a cause of concern, and therefore he has had to take this drastic measure of asking for an almost complete lockdown. Essential services, of course, will be running. Trains and buses is also what he says will run. However, all shops, all offices are going to remain closed. Radhika is now joining us with more details. Radhika, is it going to go into effect immediately, and till when?
Yes, it seems to be going into effect immediately because, right now, of course, Uddhav Thackeray has made that announcement that almost all the shops will be shut, except, of course, the essential services that we are talking about. Apart from that, all the shops will be shut. Till about yesterday, the permission was given for the shops to be shut on alternate days. But looks like because many shops are keeping themselves open almost all the time, he has decided that let all the shops, barring essential services, let them all be shut. And also he's spoken about how in government offices the workforce will be reduced to 25% from what was before, which was 50%. I'm just going to show you a bylane here in Juhu, where these shops, they were open about 15-20 minutes back, but now they are shut. You can see the shutters down. Most shops started shutting about 10-15 minutes back. So you can see many of the shutters are down in many of the places, but there are some who continue to operate at this point. So which is why Uddhav Thackeray has made that announcement that because there are complaints that they are receiving that many shops are continuing to remain open, despite telling them to open only on alternate days. It's been decided that let all the shops be shut, barring the ones that sell essential items.
Radhika, also take us through what he has said about the public transport.
As far as public transport system is concerned, that is where the real challenge is. As far as locals are concerned,